Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. Come see the car for yourself.